everybody. This is my set of the Willy Wonka chocolate room. These are the doors that close behind them as they enter. This is the factory with all sorts of candy and everything is edible. And there is the Augustus glue getting stuck in the pipes. And this is the boat that leads them to the next room. And this is a chocolate waterfall. These are candy cane vines. Goodbye everybody, and this was my presentation on the chocolate factory.